Hi, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can remove a URL from Google Search Console. Let's get started. Let's say I want to remove this URL from Google Search Console. First I'll check if this URL is in Google or not, which is simple. Copy the URL, go to Google, type site colon and then paste the page URL. Press enter. So I can see this URL is in Google and I don't want it to be here. So go to Google Search Console, select the right property from here and then from the left hand side click on removals. Now click on new request. Now enter the full URL. Let's paste it. Make sure to paste the full URL including HTTPS or HTTP. And if you want to just remove this URL, then keep this selected, remove this URL only. Or let's say you want to remove a full folder from Google Index, then paste the folder URL here and then select this option, remove all URLs with this prefix. Let me show you what I mean. If let's say I want to remove all the URLs that come after this domain.com/blog and after the blog, whatever the URLs are, if I want to remove all these URLs, I'll copy it and here I'll just paste it and select this option, remove all URLs with this prefix. Then all the URLs with this prefix will be removed from Google Index. But now I don't want to do that. I just want to remove this URL. So copy it, paste here and select this option, remove this URL only. And then click on next. Then click on submit request. Our removal request has been added successfully. And within a couple of days, this URL will be removed from Google Index. But keep in mind, this is a temporary solution. By this method, our URL will be removed from Google's index for only 6 months. If you want to permanently remove the URL, make sure to delete the page from your website, set up a 301 redirect to a relevant page, use no index tag on your page meta code, and update your sitemap and resubmit it to Google Search Console. So this is how you can remove a URL from Google Search Console. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.